Okay, so we got the air cleaner from eBay here. It's a vintage air cleaner by Mr. Gasket. Let's see what it looks like if it'll work on the 52 Ford, or if we just save it for wall art or use it on a project in the future. It was wrapped pretty good. I've never seen one like this before. It's sort of like the more modern triangular ones, but it's elongated. It's definitely seen some use, but I'm not scared of that. You can clean up old parts pretty good. It was made for, I think, a 2-barrel or an old, 1-barrel carburetor, but I think we can make that bigger. Yeah, it looks a little bit different. It says Mr. Gasket Street Cleaners. And it's got like a little, looks like a hot rod or a tractor actually is what it looks like. Maybe this is some sort of tractor air cleaner or something, but anyway, let's see what happens here. We definitely can modify the bottom, like I said, and it's got like a foam air cleaner in it. Definitely can clean up these grills with a wire brush and possibly paint those to match the car or match the engine, and then clean this part up here. It looks like it's just corroded. This will polish up with chrome polish really good, I think. Yeah, so that'll polish really good with some chrome polish on that. So that will look nice and shiny, and pretty much the base too. So I'm not sure how this works. Hopefully I don't break it. All right, yeah, so that'll pop off. And then this part will come off somehow. There we go. So that just needs wire brush. Nobody will ever see that. And then I can just get some rubber foam just to replace this. And then we'll come up with a way to attach it to the carburetor. But yeah, I think that'll look pretty neat. Just a little bit, I'm sure the 4-barrel carburetor will fit in this area, and it'll just be a little bit different. Mr. Gasket Street Cleaners Air Cleaner. That's pretty much it from tonight from Screaming Monkey Garage. Thanks for watching. Maybe I'll leave this apart so I can clean it up. So here's again with literally 5 minutes of cleaning. So brought some bright work back up on the grill and got this part here to shine. Gonna have to do some stenciling in the, this is actually a sticker, so I wiped up some of the stuff off of it, but I can put some black back in there again. And then, like I said, we could probably either paint this a silver color or a matching color to the engine, and it virtually shine back up on the bottom here, which you're never gonna see anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, it's a pretty cool piece. Let me know what you think. Thanks.